So, good evening. I'm really sorry. I've actually been waiting for this, but it's just not come. So I did want to get this video out. So as I say, it's not arrived. So what I've decided to do is make a little update video. Okay. I'm ever so sorry. That was the doorbell. I'm just going to have to disappear for a bit and I'll come back to you in a little bit later. So this is what I've just found delivered to my door. So let's have a look, open it up and see what happens. So I hope you liked that little couple of little videos. Big thank you to ModelSpace for allowing me to use those in my video. I greatly appreciate that. So I've just had a quick scan through the instructions. There's 147 stages. Now some of the stages are going to be quite short, so we might be able to combine a couple of stages. However, looking at some of the initial stages, there might be quite a lot of work to do. There's a couple of areas where I need to stop halfway through the instructions and wait. For example, if I'm doing varnishing, obviously I need to wait for the varnish to dry. So I'm going to be honest with you, and at this particular stage I have absolutely no idea how many stages there are. In addition, I'm actually going to be building the workstation first, and then that will enable me to have a little space to put everything together. So obviously this is video number 1. Video number 2 will be the assembly of the workstation. Video number 3 will be the unboxing of the actual Hermione La Fayette. We'll do a little introduction to the project, and we will begin to build it, and then from episode 4 onwards, then obviously we'll be well and truly into the build. So I hope you've enjoyed this little video. It will now be coming out every week, so I'm now going to start preparing some more videos, and I say hopefully this is a new adventure for me. So I'm equally excited and scared. I haven't gone in with the most expensive ship going, because I've actually, some people might think I've made a bit of a boo-boo, because I've gone in, my first ever ship, I've gone in at experience level. They have a little chart on the side of the box. They have four ships, and then they highlight one ship for every level. So a beginner would be level 1. I've gone in at level 3 of 4, so this may all go really bad for me, but we don't know. You know, it's going to be an experience. Maybe you guys can help me build it by making comments. So that's it for now, and I will see you next week. Thank you very much for watching.